We're gonna have to have you fix that there, old Cleetus. Oh, my little burnout there.
That was e-brake.
Oh yeah. So we got our fuel, got our fire.
We just need our right foot to the floor.
Ready to tear some stuff up?
Absolutely, you know me.
Dude, the more the merrier, and this is gonna be a lot of merriness.
Yeah, we've got a few people coming.
Just popped a tire. Oh my gosh. Boo!
That was so loud. It scared me so bad. I was like, what the hell is that? Oh.
Hey, Jeremy, I know you just lent me this thing, but I don't know what happened.
Hey, man.
You let me have this piece of junk.
Why you gotta let him borrow your car with tires in that condition?
Oh, man, that looked like...
That's just dangerous.
Sorry.
That's irresponsible.
Man, the fun was just starting.
Nailed it. He nailed it.
I'm gonna be the backseat driver.
All right, so e-brake, let it slide, and give it some gas and pull out of it. Okay, a little better.
A little slower. Oh, look, parking spot.
Oh, it's over there. Man, these parking lots sure are full on the holidays.
Oh,
wait,
second gear.
there's one right there. Hold on. Oh, we got our bucket boy. Come on, bucket boy. I need brake. There you go.
There you go.
Much better. All right. Wait, there's a spot. Come on, quick.
Get it quick.
I'm entering so wrong.
Oh,
Swing out and then do what you did right here where you spun it and then you got... Oh,
okay.
Oh, all right.
You are not flustered. You're fine.
There's a parking spot.
Spot. What are you? Yeah. We'll count it. We'll count it. That was at least 60% of the car was in the spot.
60%, 90%
Right.
of the time.
You're in second. So you go back to first. Oh, that'll work. That'll work.
All right, 40.
You're going about 20 miles an hour.
All right, let me try this.
No, hold on, one more. I want to go 40. Let's go 40 entry, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have to e-brake way before this and then power into it.
I'll do 50. We'll just flat
We're
spot the
going to try to
tire.
go super fast.
I don't know why this has to be the most violent turn. It's just a turn.
Parking spot.
Oh, look.
Okay, we're entering in. Bucket. Oh, look at that. That was perfect.
Did I hit a bucket?
No, we're a little.
Oh, no, I didn't. All right, let me just prove to the people.
You did just miss the bucket.
Am I in the spot? I'm in the spot.
We're kind of out of the spot, actually. I mean, like,
Yeah,
assume.
that was not in the spot.
No, this is a good. It's a good execution here. Let's. Okay, 40-mile-an-hour entry. Just do it like.
Just to try it. All
Okay,
right.
this is like imagine
You
your
watch
Black
the
Friday.
gauge and tell me we're doing 40.
This is like Black Friday shopping. There's only one spot at the mall, and you're coming in an
All right.
oncoming parallel parking spot. Okay.
Okay, all right, 40 miles an hour. You verify me on the gauge then.
Oh! That was good though. That was definitely.
You want to run around them real quick? You want to do a little tandem? Yeah. All right. I'll lead because you're better than me. Try and predict me if I'm about to spin or something.
All right, so last time we tried this, we popped the tire. So we're feeling a little wonky on that side, dude.
We're good. I'm gonna have to be in first gear. Can you go that slow, you think? Yeah, you'll be fine. All right.
Dude, that was awesome. That was awesome.
Let's try and get axis donuts going. See, the donuts were right on each other's noses. I mean, let me move this bucket.
That is rad.
That was dizzying, like looking over there.
Dude, sick. That was awesome, man. Well, that was freaking control right there, boy. Oh my god, I'm dizzy. It feels like I just pounded like 3 whiskeys.
I was so dizzy.
Spaghettified. Oh, dude, that was freaking awesome. That was awesome.
It's like plastic or something. Yeah,
Oh, you know what? I know how to fix this. Watch this.
Oh, hold on.
There
It just dropped.
There it went.
Oh, I think it's a valve cover.
No,
Probably
it's
dropping
fine. It's fine.
No, you're probably. I think the valve cover is. That's got to be oil. It smells like oil dropping on the header. Because it just went.
You got a drop of something happening.
Yeah, there's oil right there coming off the valve cover. Dropped on the header.
Okay, you're good.
We're fine.
Want me to fix it again?
Liam, watch out.
All right, fixed it.
So we're gonna practice a little J turn here. I tried to do one and it was a little wonky. Okay.
Oh, there's mud back here.
Sorry about that.
Can you J turn?
Look at this.
So
Can you J turn into a hard park?
absolutely, we're gonna get there. All right, so we're gonna do a J turn. Then I want to try a 360. I've seen like Vaughn getting do it in all his videos. I feel like I can do it.
Oh.
That's a.
Yeah, just comparing myself to a pro. All right, so my recipe for a J
I
turn
saw it on YouTube.
has always been at least 30 mile an hour, high 20s in reverse, 1 full rotation of the wheel with your hand, and usually it goes around. I mean, this has a welded diff, which is a good point that Jeb made, but I think it'll still do it. So we got plenty of room here.
There might be some mud in your wheel.
Woo! That was a very close. Yeah.
It turned more than it like flipped though, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, that was good. That was good.
Let me try it one more time.
Oh, man.
It's gone.
All right, I messed that one up.
Barrel casualty.
For sure left.
Oh, he's fine.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do a 360 now. Let's see. Well, let's try. Wait for it!
Eventually,
All right, I need a lot more. 360!
And there goes the other bucket.
All right, last try. I'm gonna
Get a fourth try.
I'm gonna turn the wheel like a little bit later because I'm turning the wheel back too early and it's like slowing down the first 180. Oh! Yeah, okay. Well, one thing we've learned today is that we're not getting a 360 with this welded diff.
That was wild. Woo! See, for a lot of fun, you just need a couple rednecks and a concrete patch. Or an asphalt patch. Oh, man. Oh! Oh! Oh, no, that does not look good. Yeah, tie rod, dude. The wheel went buckled. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hey, you definitely hurt the tie rod. Definitely.
Oh no, that's fine, sir. Don't look at that.
Oh man,
no, sir, that's fine. This is Vaughn getting here.
Holy crap, dude! It went to Tekka.
It's the whole control arm broke off.
Oh snap!
Well, I guess
We'll take Jawbreaker home.
Yeah. Just need a pail of water.
Hey, it was a 270.
Dang, that was wicked though, man.
Alright, we're gonna try and do 2 left donuts and then transition into a right donut.
Holy crap! I just learned how to do that like a month ago.
He's doing pretty good. Alright.
Dude, give me a hug. That's so awesome. So awesome. All right, guys, so check out this course right here. Coming in, entering here, got to go around this cone right there, around there, and hard park right there. Oh my gosh, I don't even think you touched that. That was so slick. Dang, I thought you were gonna cream that cone. That was awesome. Oh, a little off, a little off. Nice, nice. A little more speed. You got it though, you got everything else. Oh, casualty on that one there. There you go. Watch out, Jim! Yeah! Got it! Oh, I think the older I get and the more that I'm around all these different things, the more I can appreciate all sorts of different things. Doesn't matter if it's a BMW, if it's a Honda, or whatever. If you're out there having fun, like, I mean, dude, that car's a Honda, we got a BMW, we got LS Power, we got Toyotas and BMWs. I mean, it's like,
yep.
they're all so much fun.
Amazing
and it's like, you don't gotta hate on the other guy for whatever. It's like, we're all having fun, we're all helping each other, and that's community. That's freaking awesome.
It's car culture.
It is, man. It is.
Hell yeah.
I mean, it gives me a little goosebumps.
It's all right, buddy.
Oh, am I crying?
It was a blast. We definitely tore it
We've
up.
had fun. We broke stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you're having fun, something usually does get broken.
Well, I kind of figured like we were gonna bring like 4 cars out here or so, and I figured one had to be
Which is
broken.
better than I normally do in the weekend. I break.
And we were being relatively abusive.
Nothing broke actually while I was driving.
Surprisingly.
I was riding, so I give some credit.
It was on your side.
Well, you did.
It was awesome.
You did
He
pop a
got-
tire.
Oh, it's true.
You did pop a tire.
That was some pretty impressive. We almost did a 360.
Dude, we got to get more time like this. That was really fun. Like, honestly, it was like right as something happened and like something, a little setback. But I mean, we got so much stuff done. Like, I mean, the hard parking, we still should play around with some more J turns because that was pretty good.
Yeah.
I think with a little bit more time, you'll get your 360. And Jeb actually had a 270, so that's pretty good, dude. You were
270 smash.
You were pretty much like you were on it. Like, you were going for some speed.
I was trying to flick it pretty hard.
I think that control arm held you up. You would have had it. You would have had it.
Rowdy.
The control arm tried to leave.
Yeah, that was awesome. I like the flick with this drift in and then flick it into it. Yeah.
For
What are we
Justin,
doing?
Jeb, Garrett, Jeremy, we had a great time today. We're glad to take you guys along with us. I think it's best to share this. I mean, the more the merrier. You know, I mean,
Yep.
we said that going in. This is a blast, and we want to keep doing this. So
Fun
no
was
matter
that.
what you're into, whether it's V8 or 4-cylinder, dude, we're all out here having a blast. So thank you
Hell
guys for
yeah.
watching. God bless you. Do it for Dale.
We'll see you later.
I've never said that before here. Hey, had a great time, man. All learned something.
Yeah.